In this video, I'll show you how to easily fix the issue of Do Not Disturb mode automatically turning on your iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. If you don't like that Do Not Disturb mode is always activated automatically, let me show you how to disable that feature. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Focus. Here you will see Do Not Disturb. Next, scroll down again. If you see a schedule set up for Not Disturb, click on it. If you want to prevent Do Not Disturb mode from activating automatically, simply disable this feature. You can also customize the days it will turn on and set specific time for activation. For example, let's say I want Do Not Disturb mode to activate at 10 p.m. and turn off at 8 a.m. You can also configure it to only activate on weekdays. And that's how you can easily adjust this setting. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.